What's up, Upstate Brush Control fans? This is Willie. Today we're doing a little machine maintenance, you know, we're
Oh, we're leaving it.
they're doing a little maintenance. Gonna drop the pans, clear all that crap out of there. Fire hazard.
Fire hazard right there. It's kindling.
So just getting up in blocks, it makes it a lot easier. We got some 6x6 under there, and it makes it a lot easier for Josh to get under there. And
Josh
Josh
underneath.
Yeah, lowest kind of totem pole has to do that. So
it's okay, Josh. We love you.
Got the 8 bolts out of the cab. Get ready to lift that and clean her up.
All right, let's get her up.
Look at this.
Oh, now it does.
Oh, now.
Did you get? I thought I did.
How many others? Definitely got them all. Oh, it's just a lot of dirt.
Man, this hole got a bunch of wood chips in it.
It's all falling down on Josh's face right now, but probably been 3 or 4 weeks, something like that. Last time we did it on the when we did the skids on the Fecon, but that's what she looks like after taking it off. But we'll get her cleaned out.
That's us.
That's us. How we doing, Josh?
This stupid screw is dirt line.
You want a pick or something? Well, all that just came out of there. Hard to believe it, but you can see, well, I still got to keep blowing it out, but I got most of it out of there. Josh getting the cutter head cleaned out too. It's amazing how much dust and dirt and stuff gets in these things.